Now, hours after the 77th Republic Day parade celebrations, a controversy has erupted over seating arrangements at the event. The Congress has alleged that there was an insult to the leader of opposition and Congress party leader, Rahul Gandhi, and also the party president, Mallikarjun Kharge, claiming that both Kharge and Rahul Gandhi were seated behind Union Minister for Agriculture and Rural Development, Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Taking to Twitter, Congress leader Vivek Tankha shared this picture and he termed it as a sheer lack of protocol and grace towards leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi. But a closer look at the seating arrangement suggests that the order was done alphabetically as per the sequence. Shivraj Singh Chauhan was seated first, followed by Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, and of course you also see Arjun Ram Meghwal, who's the law minister of the country, seated behind Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Kharge. In fact, Union Minister of State for Aviation, Muralidhar Mohol, is also seen standing behind Rahul Gandhi and Kharge. Let's take a look at some reactions.
What would you like to say and why this is a matter of concern? As of now, you have posted a picture and I've also compared at a point of time when LK Advani's sitting position and Rahul Gandhi's sitting position.
Yeah, Republic Day celebrations means it is the pride for the country, and every leader should be respected. And we know that the leader of opposition, Kharge Sahab, and the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi ji, is seated in the second or third row of today's Republic Day celebrations, which is not the usual model of protocol. We had before 2014. LK Advani ji, Sushma Swaraj ji, Arun Jaitley ji, all had been given due respect in the first row. But Mr. Amit Shah and Modi wants to insult the opposition leaders, and they are continuing that in Republic Day also.
They say that leader of opposition post is, we all know, equivalent to a cabinet minister. And cabinet ministers were seated in the front 2 to 3 rows. And all those positions where they were seated, it was all for cabinet minister, and perhaps Mr. Rahul Gandhi was also allotted that seat.
Then how LK Advani ji and Sushma Swaraj ji and Arun Jaitley ji were sitting before 2014? They should answer that also. They were also leader of opposition. They were not prime ministers and deputy prime minister at that time. We have to understand that this is the level of insult these Amit Shah and Modi wants to do for the opposition leaders is unacceptable, and these kind of behaviors by the government is unacceptable to us.
बीजेपी अक्सरहा नेता प्रतिपक्ष का सम्मान नहीं करती। अगर आप देखेंगे सदन में, चाहे वो नेता सदन हो या नेता प्रतिपक्ष हो, मैं भी नेता प्रतिपक्ष रहा हूँ विधानसभा का, तो नेता जो सदन होता है वो नेता प्रतिपक्ष को पूरा मौका देता है बोलने के लिए, लेकिन जब वो बोलना शुरू करते हैं तो अध्यक्ष जी लगातार उस पर टीका टिप्पणी करते हैं। 26 जनवरी जो पूरा देश गणतंत्र मना रहा है, अगर हमारे नेता प्रतिपक्ष श्री राहुल गांधी जी वहां गए तो उनको प्रॉपर सम्मान मिलना चाहिए, लेकिन सम्मान न देना ये भाजपा की मानसिकता पर एक बड़ा सवाल है। निरंतर अपमान करना, दुराव की स्थिति रखना और खासकर नेता प्रतिपक्ष का अपमान करना, यही बीजेपी का एक पूरा सिलसिला बना हुआ है।
बात यह है कि देश में जब ऐसे ओकेशन आते हैं, जब पूरा देश एकजुट होता है, जिसमें किसी प्रकार का दलगत विचार या राजनीतिक विचार नहीं होता है, तब भी सरकार का जो मानस होता है वो राजनीति से भरा पूरा होता है। देश में नरेंद्र मोदी जी का पद प्रधानमंत्री का पद है, सम्मानित पद है, उसकी हर नागरिक सम्मान करे, पूरा विपक्ष भी करे, पर विपक्ष का पद उनके बाद ही आता है। नेचुरल है, प्रधानमंत्री के बाद अगर कोई पद देश में गरिमा पे दूसरे नंबर का है इस लोकतंत्र में तो राहुल जी का है, विपक्ष के नेता का है। तो ये सोच कि उनको कहाँ बिठाना है जिससे राजनीतिक दुर्भावना आती है।
सर, राहुल गांधी के लिए परिवार तंत्र देश के लोकतंत्र और संविधान तंत्र के ऊपर है। इसीलिए आज रिपब्लिक डे प्रोग्राम में कांग्रेस को पीपल की नहीं, परिवार के बैठने की चिंता है। उनको अपने वीवीआईपी सेंस ऑफ एंटाइटलमेंट और ईगो की चिंता है। बात तो स्पष्ट है कि लोकतंत्र में कौन कहां बैठेगा ये जनता तय करती है, और रिपब्लिक डे प्रोग्राम में प्रेसिडेंट के सेक्रेटेरिएट टेबल ऑफ प्रेसिडेंस, वारंट ऑफ प्रेसिडेंस के हिसाब से तय करते हैं कि किस जगह पर कौन व्यक्ति बैठेगा। लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन 7th रैंक पे आता है, और उनके साथ कई सारे कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स भी थे राहुल गांधी के इर्द गिर्द। आपने देखा होगा अर्जुन राम मेघवाल भी थे, पर उन्होंने अपने ईगो को देश के कार्यक्रम के ऊपर नहीं रखा, पर राहुल गांधी को लगता है कि देश के लोकतंत्र और संविधान तंत्र के ऊपर उनका परिवार तंत्र है।
So, latest flashpoint between the Congress party and the BJP. Where was Rahul Gandhi seated and why was he insulted? Teshri joins us with more details on this. Teshri, this is one consistent controversy that we see every Republic Day because the Congress says that, he doesn't get respected and he's always given a seating arrangement. He's always given a seat that does not really respect him, that's not respectful of his stature. What is the Congress party saying?
Well, yes, Vasudha, it has sparked a major controversy on the seating arrangement, and you have rightly mentioned that this is not for the first time. Certainly, we are witnessing such kind of questions being raised by the Congress party as far as the sitting arrangement for their leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, is concerned. Now, Congress party is raising straight guns at the government, at the BJP, saying that it is a deliberate attempt to insult the chair of leader of opposition, of Rahul Gandhi, and also for Mallikarjun Kharge. Then they also go on to compare the previous governments when the Congress party was in power, and at that particular point of time, what kind of seating arrangement they gave for the then leader of opposition who were there from the Bharatiya Janata Party, or for that matter some other leaders as well. And Congress party has been again and again stating that it was a deliberate attempt made by Home Minister Amit Shah, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who are responsible for this. Not just that, but they're also drawing parallel lines so as to the manner in which this entire incident, this deliberate attempt was made. But also, Vasudha, let me tell you that I was present in the same area where this sitting arrangement was today during Republic Day's parade. And as we all know that the post of cabinet minister and the leader of opposition is quite similar. We can just say that they go in parallel lines. And at that point of time, yes, the cabinet ministers in the pictures also we can see were sitting in the same line. But the Congress party was demanding that Rahul Gandhi should have been given the front seat, the front row, whereas this time he was given the third row.
There are many nuances to the seating arrangement and the protocol that took place, but yes, the Congress has taken objection to the fact that Rahul Gandhi was seated in the third row, and it is dismissed those clarifications that even Arjun Ram Meghwal, the law minister, was seated right behind him, with the BJP saying that this is all about the Congress demanding entitlement.